Something tells me that's a little bit offensive to somebody. This is my last full day in Lisbon. And of course it has decided to rain a little bit, but there's still a lot I need to see here. It's a much bigger city than I expected. So currently leaving this building, which was my hotel. And I'm gonna go take a whole bunch of stairs all day, walk around and check out some parts of the city that I haven't seen. So, walking to my hostel right now, and let's see how soaked I can get. It's kind of the bottom of the Barrio Alto neighborhood, just sort of the nightlife center. Bunch of restaurants. Of course, they're all about I don't know, 120 stairs. Hill number 1 of the day. It's my hostel up here with the purple sign. Also hate when it's raining because, as you can see, like that last guy, they got their umbrellas out, they're holding them above their head, which means that their umbrella is right at the level of my face. Sun's shining, going back down the hill. I don't know if you saw that, but that guy was just peeing between those 2 trash cans. So, noon in Lisbon. Hopefully that's rain on the floor, not pee. One of the old school trams rolling around town. Kind of just picked a direction and walked. I knew this way was the city center, so check it out. It looks like a museum. And who knows what the other buildings are. Kind of cool though. Just took a picture for some Italians. Took 3 of them. And then they told me, or then I heard them say, whoa, 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 like it was a bad picture. And I'm just like, well, sorry. Never please Italians. Also, how Italian is it to like get somebody's attention by going, oh, oh, happy hour. 8.50 euro cocktails. That's not very happy. It's like $10. Arrived in this main square and had 3 guys instantly trying some weed, so doing good. They're like, oh, it's legal here, man. I'm like, I don't care, don't smoke. So what I was told in the hostel is that it's legal to possess, legal to consume weed, cocaine, maybe ecstasy, I don't know, and then it's only illegal to sell it. So these guys are like just walking around with like 7 pairs of sunglasses in one hand and then like just a little baggie, maybe like 1 gram of hash or weed, and trying to sell it. Just like, yeah, I'm not gonna buy it from you, sorry man. So, classic. This is the Oceanside and statue, main square, palace thing behind it. Pretty nice. Of course, all these guys selling selfie sticks aren't going to come up to me because I've already got one, so they can fuck off. There's the castle on the hill up there, which I filmed the other day. This guy right here, he looks like a businessman, but carrying sunglasses, also carrying weed. Oh, you know I love filming while other people are filming on getting in their shots. Like this guy. Cool. Now I'm on his, he's on mine. We can piggyback off of each other's celebrity. So now I'm a star in Portugal. He's a star for my 20 subscribers on YouTube. Basically, the street has a whole bunch of shops, and I would never want to shop in. I'm good, man. Old man just tried to sell me marijuana, so really on a roll today. Been traveling for 2 months now, and I have never had somebody try to sell me drugs on the street until I came to Lisbon. It was a couple nights ago, somebody came up and tried to sell me ecstasy or not ecstasy, tried to sell me cocaine or marijuana. And then today, had at least 7 or 8 guys try to, so. It's one of the forms of public transportation here because it's so hilly. Things like this, which I believe is an elevator that was built in the early 1900s. I think it runs to the top of those buildings maybe, so I'm gonna walk around the side and check it out. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that that line right there is the line to take the elevator. So, not super interested in that. It's kind of nice. Time to jaywalk. All right. Nice fountain, not in operation. Cool. Great. Pedro 4 of Portugal. Probably an art museum in front of us, or it's a theater, I think is what it says on the top right. But I do like the grammar on that. If you can't read it on your screen, it says on the bottom, it says art makes difference. Seems like it's lacking an A. At least this one's operational. Nice. Kids been drowning there probably. For disaster. I'm gonna go back up this way. It's kind of where I stayed when I first got to Lisbon, in the castle. This is kind of like the scenic district of Alfama, where pretty much every picture you've ever seen of Lisbon is taken. It's up here. It's obviously the bottom of it. Nice mosaic building. Tuk-tuk army almost feels like I'm in India. Cool church. Let's see if he turns into me. Not good. Big bus for a narrow road. First glance when I saw this, I thought it said Museu Nude Museum. That would have been my kind of museum. Was just walking and saw that this is the Pink Street right here. Pink Street at night is like where the nightlife center of Lisbon actually is. Heard it can get kind of sketchy. Nice strip club right there. Erotic show. Oof. Girl in my hostel room, German chick, was telling me that her friend got her purse stolen when they were down here on this strip not too long ago. So, craft beer IPA, €3, not bad. Maybe I'll come back and get that. A lot shorter than I thought it was going to be. Whoops, it's definitely just in their picture if they took one. So, oh, also in their picture. Great. Anyway, this is the Hillwood Hostel. So, go up here. Maybe upload this footage. Hopefully nobody is peeing in between those trash cans right outside of the hostel again. So